This is my space. This is my craft. This is Modern Roots Kitchen. What is up, and Onda, everybody? Welcome back to the Modern Roots Kitchen channel. I am your host, Chef Danny Davila from San Antonio, Texas. Welcome to part 2 of our Hawaii food tour. This is part 2. If you have not checked out part 1, go back, check it out. Super awesome, super amazing, super fun. On this episode, we're gonna be going from Honolulu, Oahu, Hawaii to Maui. And as soon as we got there, we rented a car and we found out about the road to Hana, which is this super sketchy drive that you can kind of see in the intro of the video, and you'll see it again later. Super crazy. We're driving. First stop we had to make was Aunt Sandy's banana bread. This banana bread, apparently they use apple bananas, which I've never cooked with before, but I've heard of them. I know we have them in some places here in San Antonio. Anyway, you guys, if you're ever in Maui, check out Aunt Sandy's banana bread. This banana bread was life-changing, I swear. Check it out. What's up, and get on there, everybody? We're here at Aunt Sandy's. We're gonna try some bomb banana bread. Apparently it's supposed to be really, really good. We got some of their chili on a bed of rice. And they got some beautiful coconut ice cream and some Kahlua pork. Looks bussin'. Alright, here's Aunt Sandy's most famous banana bread. I'm gonna check it out. Oh dude, it's so good. It's like really warm? Hot too. I'm blessing. So yeah, as you saw, Aunt Sandy's had some bomb banana bread. We all enjoyed it. It was fabulous. They also had some chili and rice that we had. Was super amazing. They also had all kinds of ice creams, coconut sorbet, things like that. It was super dope. And in this next clip, check out some dope waterfalls. What's up, gangsters? We're out here in the jungle. In the jungle, baby. Woo! Nice. Aloha and que onda. Didn't that look super amazing? Right now, we're gonna be headed back to the car. We're gonna be set forth onto the black sand beaches of Maui. It's gonna be absolutely immaculate, as you're gonna see. We also hit up a farmer's market and some food trucks that were nearby. And I tell you, the food, you're gonna see it, but oh my God. Fresh tuna, fresh everything, fresh vegetables. We bought a coconut from some dude. He's just busting open coconuts, free to drink, ice chilled. Check it out. What's up, guys? We're over here in Maui. We're checking out this place called Poke Bob's right across from a farmer's market. I got me a poke bowl and a sushi burrito. About to tear this up.
Couldn't. Well, Carla's doing the lime.
Yeah. Georgie boy got some shaved ice pineapple. Looks bomb.
Instead of them being old, like the shells you see in the store, these don't even have shells.
Yeah.
They're young and they're super sweet. And basically, here's the flour. I'm gonna pop this off.
Nice.
I'm not working as hard because I got the younger coconut. There's no shell. Tapped right to the point.
Nice.
There'll be some nice young jelly meat in here.
Nice.
Kind of like a dessert. So when you're done, just a little recyclable straw if you'd like.
Thank you.
But when you're done, we'll get that meat out for you. For sure. Make you
Beautiful.
some coconut spoons.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
They good?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Fresh coconut. Alright guys, so me and the crew, we're all Mexicans, right? We missed our hometown food, San Antonio, Texas. We needed our Mexican food fix. So we found this spot. It was called Chili Rellenos, or El Chili Relleno, I believe. And they had some pretty good Acapulco-inspired Mexican food, as you'll see. And then after that, we took a beautiful hike. Absolutely spectacular. Check it out. Y'all, so we're taking this hike, right? We're getting there, we're going up and up and up, we're getting kind of tired, we're getting a little fatigued. There's a lot of people all of a sudden just stopped. So we're like, what is going on? And we look ahead and we see a helicopter circling, like a rescue helicopter. And I guess some lady broke her ankle or something like that trying to rush through the hike. It was very slippery. It says take precaution, all that stuff. I guess this lady was trying to rush it. She broke her ankle. They had the helicopter rescue her down. I got a little clip of it. Check it out. It was like, it was freaking raining, all the rain from the leaves and the forest. It was just, check it out. So anyways, we finished our hike. We were all super famished, super hungry. So they had some food at the bottom. They had some beautiful bento boxes. They had all kinds of pineapple treats. My wife had an acai bowl in half a pineapple. It was beautiful, as you'll see right now. We went to a beautiful water park back in Honolulu. Once we got there, checked out some beautiful wildlife, and we went back to our favorite restaurant of the whole trip probably, which was Cinnamon's, if you've seen in part 1. So here we are again in part 2. So yeah, check it out. The food, oh my god, dude, the food is so good there, so good. Alright guys, we just finished up a long hike at Manoa Falls to see the waterfalls, and there's a nice little restaurant that sells bento boxes and pineapple things. So we got some teriyaki chicken, some garlic shrimp, rice and corn, and my wife got a beautiful acai bowl and a pineapple. Delicious. Check it out. Last place we stopped for all the foodies and food nerds out there, we went on this chocolate tasting. We had the cacao beans that are grown locally and sourced in Hawaii. They explained to us how each bean tastes a little bit different when it's manufactured into chocolate, but depending on what soil it grows on, what climate, because Hawaii has so many beautiful climates all over it. We tasted all kinds of chocolates that tasted fruity, tasted creamy, tasted all kinds of vanilla-y, all kinds of beautiful herbaceous things, just based on where it's from, and it was really interesting. We had some cocoa bean tea that was super good. We bought some chocolates. This place was super nice. They really schooled us on what real chocolate is. And yeah, so you're gonna see it right here. Super beautiful, excellent. Definitely recommend if you're ever in Maui. Check it out. What's up, guys? It's our last night here in Honolulu, Hawaii. It's been an incredible trip. We went to Maui. We did all kinds of amazing things. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Mahalo for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. Alright, y'all, so that concludes our trip to Hawaii. Again, if you have not checked out part 1, please do so. It's the video right before this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future videos. I'm teaching you guys how to cook. I'm Chef Danny Davila from San Antonio, Texas. This is Modern Roots Kitchen. I'll see you guys next time.